All right, Psalm 16. Preserve me, O Tata, for in you I take refuge. I say to Tata Nzambi, you are my Mafumu. I have no good apart from you. As for the saints in the land, they are the excellent ones, in whom is all my delight. The sorrow of those who run after another Tata shall multiply, another God shall multiply. Their drink offering of blood I will not pour out, or take their names on my lips. Tata Nzambi has chosen portion. Tata Nzambi is my chosen portion and my cup. You hold my lot. The lines have fallen for me in pleasant places. Indeed, I have a beautiful inheritance. I bless Tata Nzambi who gives me counsel. In the night also my heart instructs me. I have set Tata Nzambi always before me, because he is my right hand. I shall not be shaken. Therefore my heart is glad, and my whole being rejoices. My flesh also dwells secure. For you will not abandon my soul to Sheol, or let your Holy One see corruption. You make known to me the path of life. In your presence there is fullness of joy. At your right hand are pleasures forevermore. 17. Psalms. In the shadow of your wings. A prayer of David. Hear a just cause, O Tat Nazambi. Attend to my cry. Give ear to my prayer from lips free of deceit. From your presence let my vindication come. Let your eyes behold the right. You have tried my heart. You have visited me by night. You have tested me, and you will find nothing. I have purposed that my mouth will not transgress. With regard to the works of man, by the words of your lips, I have avoided the ways of the violent. My steps have held fast to your paths. My feet have not slipped. I call upon you. You will answer me, O Tata. Incline your ear to me. Hear my words. Wondrously show your steadfast love, O Savior of those who seek refuge from their adversaries at your right hand. Keep me as the apple of your eye. Hide me in the shadow of your wings. From the wicked who do me violence, my deadly enemies who surround me. They close their hearts to pity. With their mouths they speak arrogantly. They have now surrounded our steps. They set their eyes to cast us to the ground. He is like a lion eager to tear, as a young lion lurking in ambush. Arise, Tatna Zombie. Confront him. Subdue him. Deliver my soul from the wicked by your sword, from men by your hand, O Tata, from men of this world whose portion is in this life. You fill their womb with treasure. They are satisfied with children, and they leave their abundance to their infants. As for me, I shall behold your face in righteousness. When I awake, I shall be satisfied with your likeness. 18. Tata is my rock and my fortress. I love you, Tata, my strength. Ya Kongo is my rock and my fortress and my deliverer. Ya Kongo, my rock in whom I take refuge, my shield and the horn of my salvation, my stronghold. I call upon Yissa Kongo, who is worthy to be praised, and I am saved from my enemies. The cords of death encompassed me. The torrents of destruction assailed me. The cords of Sheol entangled me. The snares of death confronted me. In my distress, I called upon Tatanazambi. To my Yissa Kongo, I cried for help. From his temple, he heard my voice, and my cry to him reached his ear. Then the earth reeled and rocked. The foundations also of the mountain trembled and quaked, because he was angry. Smoke went up from his nostrils, and devouring fire from his mouth. Glowing coals flamed forth from him. He bowed the heavens and came down. Thick darkness was under his feet. He rode on a cherub and flew. He came swiftly on the wings of the wind. He made darkness his covering, his canopy around him. Thick clouds, dark with waters. Out of the brightness before him, hailstones and coal of fire broke through his cloud. Tatna Zombie also thundered in the heavens, Zulu, and the Most High uttered his voice, hailstone and coals of fire. And he sent out his arrows and scattered them. He flashed forth lightning and routed them. Then the channels of the sea were seen, and the foundations of the world were laid bare. At your table, Tatna Zombie, at the blast of the breaths of your nostrils, he sent from on high. He took me. He drew me out of many waters. He rescued me from the strong enemy and from those who hated me, for they were too mighty for me. They confronted me in the day of my calamity, but Tana Zombie was my support. He brought me out into a broad place. He rescued me because he delighted in me. Yissa Kongo dealt with me according to my righteousness. According to the cleanness of my hands, he rewarded me. For I have kept the ways of Tana Zombie and have not wickedly departed from Tata. For all his rules were before me, and his statutes I did not put away from me. I was blameless before him, and I kept myself from my guilt. So Yissa Kongo has rewarded me according to my righteousness, according to the cleanness of my hands in his sight. With the merciful you show yourself merciful. With the merciful you show yourself merciful. With the blameless man you show yourself blameless. With the purified you show yourself pure. With the crooked you make yourself seem tortuous. For you save a humble people, but the haughty eyes you bring down. For it is you who light my lamp. Nzambi lightens my darkness. For by you I can run against a troop, and by my Tata I can leap over a wall. This Tata, his ways is perfect. The word of Yissa Kongo proves true. He is a shield for all those who take refuge in him. For who is Tata Nzambi but my Mafumu? And who is the rock except Tata? For Tata who equipped me with strength and made my way blameless. He made my feet like the feet of a deer and set me secure on the heights. He trains my hands for war so that my arms can bend a bow of bronze. You have given me a shield of your salvation, and your right hand supported me, and your gentleness made me great. You gave a wide place for my steps under me, and my feet did not slip. I pursued my enemies and overtook them, and did not turn back till they were consumed. I thrust them through so that they were not able to rise. They fell under my feet, for you equipped me with the strength for battle. You made those who rise against me sink under me. You made my enemies turn their backs to me, and those who hated me I destroyed. They cried for help, but there was none to save. They cried to Tata Nzambi, but he did not answer them. I beat them fine as dust before the wind. I cast them out like the mirror of the streets. You delivered me from the strife with the people. You made me the head of the nations. People whom I had not known served me. As soon as they heard of me, they obeyed me. Foreigners came cringing to me. Foreigners lost heart and came trembling out of their fortress. Tata Nzambi lives, and blessed be my rock. The exalted be Tata Nzambi of my salvation. And Yissa Kongo, who gave me vengeance and subdued peoples under me, who rescued me from my enemies. Yes, you exalted me above those who rose against me. You delivered me from the man of violence. For this I will praise you, Tata Nzambi, among the nations, and sing to your name. Great salvation he brings to his king, and shows steadfast love to his anointed, to David and his offspring forever. The law of Yissa Kongo is perfect. The heavens declare the glory of Yissa Kongo, and the sky above proclaims his handiwork. Day to day pours out speech, and night to night reveals knowledge. There is no speech, nor are there words, whose voice is not heard. Their voice goes out through all the earth, and their words to the end of the world. In them he has set a tent for the sun, which comes out like a bridegroom leaving his chamber, and like a strong man runs its course with joy. Its rising is from the end of the heavens, Zulu, and its circuit to the end of them, and there is nothing hidden from its heat. The law of Yissa Kongo is perfect, reviving the soul. The testimony of Yissa is sure, making wise the simple. The precepts of Tata Nzambi are right, rejoicing the heart. The commandments of Tata Nzambi is pure, enlightening the eyes. The fear of Yissa Kongo is clean, enduring forever. The rules of Ya Kongo are true and righteous altogether. More to be desired are they than gold, even much fine gold, sweeter also than honey, the drippings of the honeycomb. Moreover, by them is your servant warned. In keeping them there is great reward. Who can discern his errors? Declare me innocent from hidden faults. Keep back your servant also from presumptuous sin. Let them not have dominion over me. Then I shall be blameless, the innocent of great transgression. Let the words of my mouth and the meditation of my heart be acceptable in your sight, my Tata, my rock, and my redeemer. 20. Psalms. May Tata Nzambi answer you in the day of trouble. May the name of Tata of Jacob protect you. May he send you help from the sanctuary and give you support from Zion. May he remember all your offerings and regard with favor your burnt sacrifices. May he grant you your heart's desire and fulfill all your plans. May we shout for joy over your salvation, and in the name of Tata Nzambi set up our banner. May Tata Nzambi fulfill all your petitions. Now I know that Yissa Kongo saves his anointed. He will answer him from his holy heavens, Zulu, with the saving might of his right hand. Some trust in chariots and some in horses. But we trust in the name of Tata Nzambi, our Mafumu. They collapse and fall, but we rise and stand upright. O Tata, save the king. Save Yissa Kongo. May he answer us when we call.